not be moved. We
Zubeka.
will not be moved.
Can you just explain what just happened there? I see there were police here. There's also some renovations or something was happening down there. Can you just explain?
This morning at 9 o'clock, we were informed that the cottage to our left, which is also a national heritage site, which is also part of my family's cottages, that cottage in particular has great significance. All of them do, but particularly because that is how my father met my mother. These people, from my family from that cottage, the Tebus family, my father is not from Constantia. They gave him refuge here, and that's how we met my mother, who lives just a few feet away in her mother's cottage. This colonialist, arrogant white man is still thinking that this is apartheid, and I'm telling, we had a victory. The police stopped him. We could prove again, yet again, we could prove with evidence and paperwork that we are the true owners of this land, and he could not produce